Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting disconnected from the server with error connection timed out waiting for a response from the peer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections, and then you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just right click on your network connection, click properties, and then click configure here, and now go into advanced. Here what you're going to do is you're going to go into priority and VLAN, so you're going to disable this priority and VLAN. After that, you're going to scroll down, you're going to click onto receiving segment coalescing, and then you're going to disable this. You're going to go down on IPv6 now, you're going to disable this as well. After that, click OK, and then right click on your network and then go into properties, and now untick internet protocol version 6 on here. After that, click OK, and then close this up, open up your start menu again, and now you're going to go ahead and sync your time zone or your time with the internet, because if your time zone is synced incorrectly, your computer has problems connecting to the internet. So just set your time zone. After that, click set time automatically and then click sync now on here and wait for it to sync. And once it's done, now you can restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, you can turn on Hytale and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will be able to connect to servers. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.